This air purifier by LEVOIT is a must-have for any bedroom or home that requires clean and fresh air. The HEPA Filter Cleaner is highly effective in removing all kinds of harmful particles from the air, including pet dander, pollen, and dust. It has a fragrance sponge that you can use to add your favorite essential oils for a relaxing and refreshing environment. One of the best features of this air purifier is its ultra-quiet operation. It does not produce any distracting noise, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, nurseries, and other quiet spaces. The compact size and sleek design also make it easy to fit into any room without taking up too much space. The LED display is easy to use and allows you to adjust the fan speed and set the timer. The filter replacement indicator is also a helpful feature that ensures you get the most out of your air purifier. The filter itself is straightforward to replace, and the purifier comes with a user manual that provides detailed instructions on how to do so. Overall, this air purifier is a great investment for anyone who wants to improve their indoor air quality and get better sleep. It is easy to use, effective, and comes with several useful features that make it stand out from other air purifiers in the market. I would highly recommend this product to anyone who is looking for a high-quality air purifier for their bedroom or home.